Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unlocking the hidden powers of a common household item, baking soda. Often tucked away in our kitchens, baking soda is more than just a baking ingredient. It's a versatile solution for annoying problems like fleas and mice. Are you ready to banish these pests from your home forever? Stay tuned as we explore the most effective ways to use baking soda for pest control. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our helpful tips and tricks. What you'll learn: you will discover how this everyday household item can be your best ally in pest control. Learn about the effective ways baking soda can help eliminate fleas from your home. Uncover how to use baking soda to deter mice naturally and safely. Explore the science behind why baking soda works for pest control. Find out how combining baking soda with essential oils enhances its effectiveness against pests. Learn how baking soda can improve your home's cleanliness and prevent pest infestations. Understand the specific recipes that utilize baking soda to create effective, natural pest control solutions. See why baking soda is a safer alternative to chemical pest control methods. Discover the best ways to apply baking soda for pest control to ensure long-lasting benefits. With that said, let's dive into it. Benefits of baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a remarkably versatile household product known for its extensive range of benefits. It serves as a powerful cleaning agent, capable of tackling tough stains and odors in kitchens and bathrooms, without the harsh chemicals found in commercial cleaners. In baking, it acts as a leavening agent, giving rise to fluffy breads and cakes. For personal care, it can be used as a toothpaste for whiter teeth, as a deodorant, and even as a gentle exfoliant. Health-wise, baking soda can neutralize stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn and indigestion. Its mild antiseptic properties also help soothe minor skin irritations and insect bites. Baking soda for flea control. Using baking soda for flea control is an effective and natural method. Start by thoroughly cleaning your home, focusing on areas where pets frequent, such as bedding and carpets. Mix equal parts of baking soda and salt to enhance the flea-killing effect. Sprinkle this mixture generously over carpets, pet bedding, and upholstered furniture. Use a brush or a broom to work the mixture deeply into the fibers, as this helps to dehydrate and kill the flea eggs and larvae. Allow it to sit for at least 12 to 24 hours to maximize its effectiveness. Afterwards, vacuum thoroughly to remove the baking soda, salt, and dead fleas. Dispose of the vacuum bag or contents in a sealed bag outside your home to prevent reinfestation. Repeat the process as necessary to keep fleas at bay. Baking soda uses for mice and more. Baking soda is a versatile and non-toxic way to manage various pests, including fleas, mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, bedbugs, and centipedes. Here's how to use it effectively for each. Fleas. Combine baking soda with salt in equal parts and sprinkle the mixture over carpets, pet bedding, and upholstered furniture. Work it into the fibers with a brush, let it sit overnight to dehydrate and kill flea eggs and larvae, then vacuum thoroughly. Mice and rats. Mix baking soda with equal parts flour and sugar to attract these rodents. The baking soda disrupts their stomach gas, leading to internal complications. Place the mixture near suspected entry points and check and refill as needed. Cockroaches. Create a mixture of baking soda and sugar in a 1:1 ratio and sprinkle it in areas where cockroaches are frequently seen, such as kitchen corners and under sinks. The sugar attracts the cockroaches, and the baking soda is lethal once ingested. Ants. Similar to cockroaches, use a mixture of baking soda and powdered sugar. Place it along ant trails and near entry points. Ants are drawn to the sugar and carry the lethal baking soda back to their colony. Bedbugs. Sprinkle baking soda around the crevices and cracks of your bed frame, mattress, and nearby furniture. Allow it to sit for a week before vacuuming up the powder and dead bed bugs. Repeat as necessary. Centipedes. Dust areas where centipedes are frequent with baking soda. It can dehydrate and kill them upon contact. Scientific backing. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, has been extensively studied and is backed by science for its numerous applications and benefits. It reacts chemically as both a mild base and a weak acid, making it exceptionally versatile. This dual nature enables it to interact with both acids and bases, which is why it's effective in neutralizing odors and maintaining pH balance. In healthcare, its antacid properties are well documented, providing relief from acid reflux and heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid. Its abrasive quality makes it a gentle yet effective cleaner, mechanically removing stains without harsh chemicals. Research in entomology shows that baking soda can disrupt the digestive systems of pests like roaches and ants, proving its efficacy as a natural pesticide. Thus, baking soda's effectiveness is well supported across various scientific fields. Baking soda and essential oils. Combining baking soda with essential oils creates a potent mixture for various home uses, leveraging the deodorizing power of baking soda with the therapeutic benefits of essential oils. This blend is ideal for creating natural cleaning products, air fresheners, and even personal care items. For instance, adding lavender or eucalyptus oil to baking soda can make an effective carpet freshener that not only cleans, but also imparts a calming scent. In personal care, mixing peppermint oil with baking soda offers a homemade toothpaste that whitens teeth and freshens breath. As a cleaning paste, lemon oil and baking soda can tackle tough kitchen stains, leaving surfaces clean and smelling fresh. This synergy not only enhances the functionality of baking soda, but also provides a healthier, chemical-free alternative to conventional products. Benefits of baking soda for home hygiene. Baking soda is a powerhouse for home hygiene, offering a range of benefits that make it a must-have in any household. Its natural, abrasive qualities allow for thorough cleaning without scratching surfaces, making it perfect for everything from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles. As a natural deodorizer, baking soda neutralizes odors rather than merely masking them, ensuring freshness from refrigerators to sneakers. Its mild alkalinity makes it effective against grease and grime, simplifying kitchen cleanup tasks. Additionally, baking soda can be used as a gentle fabric softener in laundry, leaving clothes feeling soft and free of chemical residues. Safe and eco-friendly, it provides a healthier alternative to harsh chemical cleaners, promoting a safer home environment while effectively maintaining cleanliness and hygiene. DIY pest control recipes. Creating DIY pest control solutions using household items can be a safe and cost-effective way to manage unwanted guests like insects and rodents. Here are some easy recipes. Ant bait. Mix 1 part borax with 3 parts powdered sugar and sprinkle near ant trails. The sugar attracts ants, and the borax is toxic to them once ingested. Cockroach killer. Combine equal parts of baking soda and sugar. Place this mixture in shallow dishes around problem areas. The sugar lures the cockroaches, while the baking soda is lethal. Natural rodent repellent. Soak cotton balls in peppermint oil and place them at potential entry points. Mice and rats detest the strong scent, which drives them away. Flea treatment for pets. Create a paste of baking soda and water, apply it to your pet's fur, let sit for a few minutes, then thoroughly rinse. This method helps remove fleas and soothe the skin. These simple homemade recipes utilize common ingredients and are effective in maintaining a pest-free home without resorting to harsh chemicals. Safe use of baking soda. Baking soda, known for its versatility, is generally safe for a variety of household uses, from cleaning to pest control. However, its safe use requires some precautions. When using it as a cleaning agent, wear gloves to prevent skin irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. If ingesting for health benefits, such as heartburn relief, use it sparingly. Excessive consumption can lead to imbalances in electrolytes and pH levels. Additionally, keep baking soda away from young children and pets to avoid accidental ingestion. Always store it in a clearly labeled container to prevent confusion with other kitchen substances, ensuring it's used appropriately and safely. Maximizing effectiveness. To maximize the effectiveness of baking soda, ensure it's used appropriately for its intended purpose. For cleaning, activate its abrasive and deodorizing powers by making a paste with water, which can tackle tough stains and odors. In baking, ensure it's fresh. Old baking soda won't produce the desired leavening effect. When used for health remedies like heartburn, mix it with water according to recommended dosages to avoid side effects. For pest control, combine it with attractants like sugar for ants or flour for rodents to increase intake. Storing baking soda in a cool, dry place also preserves its potency, ensuring it delivers maximum performance whenever needed. In conclusion, baking soda is a powerhouse in the realm of natural pest control, offering effective solutions to banish fleas, mice, and other unwelcome guests from your home safely and sustainably. Its versatility, affordability, and safety make it an invaluable tool in maintaining a clean and pest-free environment. Remember, consistency is key to seeing long-term results, so keep applying these techniques regularly. If you found this video helpful and are ready to take control of your pest situation using baking soda, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Together, let's make your home a cleaner, safer, and pest-free zone.